How you doing? James G here. Welcome to the channel. Start this with a few phone clips, just basically different types of contracts for customer reference, etc. But clearly, there's a bit more to it than that. I've been really busy lately, but I'm going to try and make a special effort to post more regularly. So if you help me, and please hit the subscribe and like button, and even leave a comment, as it really does help all around. Bye for now, and hope you enjoy the clip. Okay, James G again here. Here's a nice little kitchen extension in Connsbrook Ave Belfast. If you can see these windows at the back, nice wee detail on the gable of this house to the rear. I've been told that C.S. Lewis actually lived in this house at some point, although the people living in it prefer not to have a plaque up to sort of preserve their privacy, if you know what I mean. Anyway, as you can see, we had to go through a wall, steps, and at least 2 concrete yards to get down to the correct depth of our new find, which only actually took, what, 2 days? Was it 2 days or 3 days? Anyway, it was with another day for concrete the find and loading out, and then basically another 3 days for the block work. The floor showed the floor showed a wooden floor, but this was changed to solid as per the existing. So we used a whacker plate for a subfloor and double 75mm kingspan below the screed. Once we started to put the roof on, as per plan, it was eventually agreed that this extension required a roof window to give some light in the back of the existing living room. So for this particular task, we simply called into Baloo trade frames in Bangor, where they gave us a outside double glazing unit. Well, an outside, so wrong size double glazing unit. It was actually made of K-glass, and it was absolutely free. I then knocked up a simple frame, created the cheeks in the roof to create a dead, non-opening roof light, which I think actually looks quite looks dead on, considering it was cheap as chips. Now the warm roof was done with 12mm USB on 6x2s with double 75mm kingspan, then 18mm exterior ply. Then we used 4mm torch-on film as a covering with seams bled out, double sealed in polymer sealer, and then given 2 coats of aluminium reflectant sealer, bitumen based. So, I mean, I think the roof window looks fine. But anyway, inside we removed the French doors, installed a new window in the living room, and bring some light, and then dry line the walls, and just leaving a painted finish. Anyway, it's a nice, neat little kitchen extension. So, you know, it is what it is. So anyway, till the next time, James G signing out.